Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Moonriver. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. And if you haven't seen the previous update, make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the top right hand corner of the video. And let's jump into the daily chart straight away. So I laid this Fibonacci retracement many days ago, and you had all these support levels many days ago. And as you can see, we're landing on the 2.272 Fibonacci retracement. We've lost the 1.618, which was our technical target. So target met over here. As you can see, we not only met the target over here, but we even back tested it as resistance, and we got sent back down even further to the 2.272 at $79.6. So Moonriver has retraced quite a bit from its all-time high over here. And I assume this is the all-time high based on the KuCoin's chart. So we're down 84% from the all-time high. So this is great opportunities to be buying. We've lost the September low that we had over here. So, you know, we're actually kind of free falling right now. If you look at the RSI, we're oversold on the RSI. We're sitting at the index of 20 right now. So great entry points right now for Moonriver. I would potentially look for a nice little swing trade here from where we are right now all the way to the 1.618. That's a 58% trade. You could also look to take profits at the 20 EMA. Right now, that's a 65 or 68% profit. We could potentially have a nice relief rally relatively soon after such a strong pullback. You get a relief rally, you get sent back down, get rejected from the 20 EMA, and print another lower low. That's something that can happen, or we can print a nice double bottom pattern here, right? A nice reversal pattern. But we'll see how it plays out. Anyway, that's a nice swing trade opportunity for you. But I'd be buying Moonriver right now to hodl for the long term. And as you can see, you did land on the 1.272. So the last time we had a video on Moonriver, we were over here, January 4th. I did have that target, this target at $135, I would say, as the 1.618 technical target, and we have met that. And we're far away from the 20 EMA. That tells me that we're going to potentially have a back test of resistance relatively soon as well. And the gap in between the 20 EMA and the 55 EMA is getting pretty large. So we are near the bottom, guys. I still don't think we're heading towards the bear market. And why do I say that is pretty simple. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, so I don't usually do this, but if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, right, I'm going to remove the drawings. Look where we landed. This is the monthly chart. We landed on the 20 EMA perfectly over here. So this is a great support level. As you can see, there's quite a bit of a gap in between the 20 and the 55 on the monthly total crypto market cap. And it's, you know, this is a great support level. We're just coming back down for support. Some alts are bleeding. Yes, that will happen, but I'm just telling you that this is nothing to worry about for now. Until Bitcoin starts losing its July low, then I might, you know, say, I'm going to say that, hey, you know, potentially we're going to enter a bear over here. But for now, you know, we're not doing that bad. This is a great entry zone. A lot of my followers on, you know, from my Polkadot videos, a lot of guys in the community are buying up the dip like crazy. So that's what I'm doing as well. So, you know, you do what you want to do. Now, jumping into the daily RSI. So we had this pink resistance trend line over here. The last time we were in a video on Moonriver, we were over here, right? That was January 4th. Then we had a nice little back test of support. We had a nice little bounce from there, and then we dropped over here to the oversold. So this right here is a great entry point. We haven't been this oversold on the KuCoin chart in quite a while. So yeah, great entry points for Moonriver right now. That's pretty much all I can say. We're free falling right now. Potentially have some buy orders at $79 once again, and below that we do have $70. If we start losing these levels, I'm gonna lay a new fib, but you know, for now we're not doing that. We haven't lost these fib support levels. We'll see. Potentially we're gonna run into the 1.618 as resistance once again, And yeah, now let's jump into the 4-hourly chart. Okay, now jumping into the 4-hourly chart, if I zoom in a little bit over here, you can see that we are in a descending broadening wedge. So this is a bullish reversal pattern. And as you can see, you have your first touch of support over here. Why does the brush not? All right, there we go. First touch of support here, another touch of support here. That's your resistance, and you've been hitting your head on this resistance for quite a while. As you can see, another test of support over here. So potentially what can happen is we come up over here, hit our head on this resistance, and come back down lower to print a lower low. That's something that's possible, obviously, but this is usually a bullish reversal pattern. So basically you're coming down over here in this channel pattern, and then you're breaking out, back test of support, and off you go. But you never know when you're going to break out, right? So you can potentially come up here, hit your head, like I said, and come back down to back test another, once again, the support trend line that we have. So draw this out on your chart, right? As soon as you potentially, if you want to, have a nice swing trade, as soon as you hit your head on this resistance trend line, you can take some profits and, buy back when you come lower. That's a potential swing trade for you as well, or just a nice trade in general. Let's say that's around about 30%. That would be around about 30% trade for you. Now jumping into the 4-hourly stochastic, you're oversold over here. You're in the oversold below the index of 20 right now. You're sitting on the index of 5 on the stochastic RSI. So great entry points based on the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, we had a little wick over here, but that was quickly sold off by the bears. The relative strength index is oversold here on the 4-hourly chart. And as you can see, we're printing a higher, actually, no, we're not printing a higher low on the RSI. And the MACD obviously has a bearish cross, but now we're curling up for that potential bullish cross. Right now, great entry points. If you start getting overextended over here, you potentially are going to hit your head on this resistance and come back down, like I said. So always buy off of support, buy when you're oversold, and right now, you guessed it, you are oversold. So that is pretty much it, guys. If I missed out anything on the charts, please let me know down below in the comment section. Moonriver is a great project. I'm going to be buying into it once I have more fiat, and I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into it. And that's what I think everyone should be doing at this point. Selling at a loss is not smart, trust me. Now, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our Telegram chat. We do have a Discord server where you can request technical analysis and stay up to date with the latest crypto news as well. And we do have a Patreon where you can request, video requests, personal technical analysis requests, daily TA requests, whatever you want. Buy, sell alerts, low cap gem calls, all that great stuff is in there. So make sure to check it out. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.